Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix nail clippers that came apart. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see here, I have this pair of nail clippers and they came apart. I'm going to show you how to fix them. Now, for full disclosure, I actually took them apart before starting this video, but I'm going to show you how to fix them because I've been in this situation many times. So I've become almost a pro at putting them back together, okay? So as you see right here, you have your nail clippers, okay? Now, there's going to be a hole that goes through both of these parts right here that clip together, okay? Then you're going to have this little notch piece with almost like a hook on one side of it. And then you're going to have this piece which is used as leverage to make the clippers actually clip properly. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece right here, this little notch piece, and you're going to place it in, okay, through both of these. So I'm going to place it in through both of these. And very important is to make sure that the hook is facing the clipping part of the nail clippers. So you can see the hook is facing there. I'm going to place it through both of these. Now, I'm holding it with my finger and I'm going to press the clippers together. And when I press the clippers together, you can see I open up that area so I can deal with placing something in the hook. Now, this right here conveniently can slide in like this. So look at the way that I'm angling it right here. I'm going to expose that hook. I'm going to slide it in and then I'm going to release it to sort of place this securely within the hook. So check this out. I'm pressing the clippers together, bringing this in there, sliding it in place. Okay. It's now in the hook and I'm going to release the clippers. Okay. And it's now in place. There you go. Done. Just like that. Look, we have a working set of nail clippers. Let's go. Let's give it a clip just like that. Let's go. Just to prove that it's nice and working once again. So that's it. That is how to fix nail clippers that came apart. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.